Hey everyone, welcome to a new video. Windsurf just upgraded their AI code editor, and after Windsurf Wave 9 they have announced this Windsurf Wave 10, and under this Wave 10 they have added two new exciting features. One is this planning mode, another one is this Windsurf Browser, and these two features is so much helpful and so much powerful that it will solve a lot of problem in your project. So what is this Windsurf Browser and planning mode? I will start with this planning mode. If you see, they have written send messages to Cascade in planning mode, a setting that will let Cascade plan before making edit, and Cascade will create a plan.md file of the actions it plans to take before taking action, and the plan is user editable and Cascade will pick up on user changes. What is that? If you go to Windsurf, make sure you have updated this Windsurf AI editor. Now for that, go to your account and there you will find this check for updates. Click on that, your Windsurf will get the latest update. Now after that, here you see follow my cursor. Under this message box or this prompt bar, you will find this icon. Okay, this is the plan mode icon, and they have also written that plan mode lets Cascade generate and edit plan file to work smarter over longer tasks. So now if I hover on this, it is written that enable plan mode. So click on it, and after that here you have to write the project that you want to work. So I have written design a threaded discussion forum with upvoting and downvoting feature. Now press enter. Now you will see that it will generate one plan.md file. So see my workspace. My workspace is currently empty, and now it will add one plan.md file with all of the planning that is required to build this project. Here you see this is the file, and if I show you the actual format, so first of all they have added this note, and after that the task list. You remember that some days ago I made a video on the Claude Taskmaster. Let me show you that video. Where is that Taskmaster? Otherwise I can search in my channel. So Taskmaster, if I press enter, here you see this was the video. So actually in that Claude Taskmaster, what it does that it generates the plan or the task that it needs to execute one by one. So this Windsurf plan.md file is similar like that, but with a better feature. Here you see the task list and the current goal, and now if you want to add any another features, then also you can add it here. Okay, so this is the advantage of this plan.md file. Now after that you can ask this Cascade that execute this plan.md file and build the project. Now it will do that. Okay, now if I tell it that execute, so first of all accept this plan.md file. Okay, and now write execute plan.md file and press enter. Now here you see generating, so it will execute this file and do all of that things. So this is all about this planning mode. I hope it is helpful for you. And now the next features that they have added, it is the browser. So they have given the name as the Windsurf Browser. Ability to share browser context with Windsurf and share code blocks, selected text, web page elements, screenshot and console logs, send blocks directly to Cascade. So why it is helpful? Now if you go to this Windsurf, now beside your profile and beside your settings, you see that they have added this open browser option. Now if you click on it, you will see that a browser will be opened. Here you see browser.windsurf.com. This is the URL. Welcome to browser. Now here on the right hand side below, you see they have added two things. One is this send element, another one is this send page. Here you see this is the elements. Okay, now what I can do, I can search here that React JS latest update. Okay, latest updates. Now if I search this, here you see that React version 19, and now if I click on it, so I got this page, right? Now what I can do, I can click on this send page. Suppose you have found one tutorial on any project, like how to make the authentication in Node.js or React.js, or MERN tutorial, okay, or this MongoDB tutorial. In that case, suppose if you face any difficulty for understanding that that blog or that page, in that case what you can do, open the page here and click on this send page. See here, send page. Now here you see page text captured successfully. Now if you go to Windsurf, here you see that web page React version 19 and the page context got added to my prompt bar. Okay, now if I write that can you summarize, can you summarize, okay, can you summarize this page, and now if I press enter, here you will see that it will go through the that pages and it will tell you that what is the updates or what are the things got added to this React 19 things. Okay, otherwise suppose you have found one code blocks. Okay, let me show you. Go to that browser. Suppose this is the code blocks. Okay, and now you want to understand this code block. So you can, what you can do that beside this code blocks, here you see that one send button is there. Otherwise what you can do, click on the send element. Okay, so if you don't want to send the whole PDF, if you want to send the particular option or particular portion of that PDF, then click on the send element, and now it will ask you to select that elements. So what I can do that I can select this portion, okay, or I can select this portion, and after that if I go to this Windsurf, and here you see that screenshot got added here in my prompt option. So in this way you can send the context of the browser to this Windsurf. And why it is helpful, because if you are developing any project and if you get any console.logs, so in that case what you can do, in the same way you can take the screenshot of that console.logs and send it to this Windsurf in this send element option way. Okay, and after that this Windsurf will get the context of that error and it will be helpful for you to resolve all the errors or like that things. Okay, so I hope you got the point that why these two updates are helpful for you guys, this Windsurf browser and Windsurf planning mode. And I hope that you found this video helpful. If you found helpful and if you want to get this type of videos more daily, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Don't forget to like this video. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.